Hey.
Bitch and balloon. Say it.
I want a little baby panda. Please.
Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing this butterfly look that my friend sent me a picture of, and I'll show you in a minute. But anyways, first you're gonna have to prime and then line up how you want it and glue your eyebrows. Well, I was trying to do this, the glue wasn't really working, so like I don't know how you guys glue down your brows, so yeah. And then I did foundation, you know, that was my face and all. So yeah. And then I switched to concealer and concealed my under eyes and baked a little bit. And I'm sorry if you guys hear like some weird static, it's these broken ass headphones. But anyways, I did my eyebrows and there's me using Blue Blood by Jeffree Star, and I'm using that palette, and I also used Blood Sugar too. Also, you'll see Blood Sugar pop up in a minute or so. So yeah. So technically I'm not cutting my crease, but I'm like doing a butterfly wing or so on my eyelid. So yeah, that's me taking shades and, you know, shading it in and putting lighter colors to make it light, and yeah. And then after I did that, I quickly did eyeliner, and I also added extra dots around the wing, and then I took black face paint and I started to outline how I wanted I wouldn't say the opening, yeah, the opening, and I started to paint the butterfly wings of how I wanted them to be on there. And I also shaded in and put details to it, or not too much though. Then I began filling in the area with black face paint. And then I started adding small details around the opening, like adding extra little openings to around it, and I started putting more detail into the other butterflies around. Then afterwards I started doing the detail of the butterfly wings inside of them and adding their lines and adding the white dots around them. And since I was going for like a galaxy thing, I added white dots around, and I was just adding that teardrop for, you know, I don't know, extraness. And I also shaded in the teardrop with eyeshadow, as you will be seeing in a little bit. And then I took blood sugar and I took Tongue Pop and put it as my blush. And this is the lipsticks that I'm using is from Jeffree Star, the You're Still on the Property, and I believe Jawbreaker. And then I added some clear gloss, and I then started adding shadow around it. And here's the finished look with my hair down and false lashes on. And I think this came out so beautiful. Like, I actually love doing this, and I loved doing like the look. And honestly, it took me forever, and I don't even know how I got this video to be short enough, but this video was like 83 minutes long before I edited. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you like it, and share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Here is the picture that I got inspired by.
Look, if a guy put you down on your knees, I'm all that you want, but not what you need, girl, why? Tell me why.